So hello dear students, now we will be moving ahead in this chapter number first, that is rational number for class 8th mathematics. So today first question is, the cost of 7 hole 2 by 3 meter of rope is 12 hole 3 by 4. Find the cost per meter. So you have a rope, means this is the length of the rope. What is the length of the rope? 7 hole 2 by 3 meter. This is the length of the rope, and the cost of the total rope is 12 hole 3 by 4. This is the cost of the total rope. Now you have to find the cost per meter, means 1 meter. What would be the cost of 1 meter rope? Okay, so for finding out, you are knowing, for finding out for 1 meter, you would divide this. Okay, you would divide the total cost by the total length. You would get the cost per meter. Okay, so first I am writing here, cost of 7 hole 2 by 3 meter of rope. What is the cost of this much? Rope is 12 hole 3 by 4. This is the cost of the total rope. Now you have to find out the cost of 1 meter rope. Let's write here. Hence, cost of 1 meter rope. So what would be the cost of 1 meter? You would divide this there. Okay, so it would be 12 hole 3 by 4 would be divided by 7 hole 2 by 3. Are you getting this? Very good. Now just mixed fraction, change into simple one. 12 4 is 48. 48 plus 3 would be 51 by 4 divided by 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 2 would be 23 by 3. Now you would change this division symbol into the multiplication if you are reversing this second one fraction. Okay, so I can write it 51 by 4 multiply by, so this would be reversed, so it would be 3 by 23. Hope you are getting this. Very good. Okay, now how would you do this now? So multiply all, because I think it is these, you cannot cut, so just multiply them. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15, so it would be 153 divided by, just downside multiply numerator, so denominator to denominator. 4 3 is 12, 2 carry 1, 4 to the 8 plus 1 9, so it would be 153 by 92. This would be the cost of 1 meter rope. You can just change it into the mixed fraction by dividing 153 by 92. Okay, or you can leave it here also. So this would be the answer. So this would be the cost of what? 1 meter of rope. Okay, just note it down, or you can change it into the mixed fraction also by dividing 153 by 92. Let's write the second question of today. Second question is, which you have to do on your own. The cost of, write down, the cost of 2 hole 1 by 3 meter of cloth, 2 hole 1 by 3 meter of cloth is 75 hole 1 by 4. Is 75 hole 1 by 4. This is the cost of this 1 meter of cloth. Find the cost per meter. Okay, here also similar question like the previous one. First you have to write the cost of 2 hole 1 by 3 meter of cloth is equals to this much. Therefore cost of 1 meter cloth would be, you would be dividing this now. Okay, just do the same the way we had done the previous one. Okay, now one more question you write. The cost of 6 hole 1 by 8 meter of cloth is 8 hole 1 by 8. Find the cost per meter. Again the similar question. Try to do these questions on your own. Okay, now let's move to the next set of questions. Question number next. Question number next is, by what number should minus 33 by 16 be divided? Should minus 33 by 16 be divided to get minus 11 by 4? This is the question. By what number should this be divided to get minus 11 by 4? Okay. So how do you do this question? Let's say we are question again, just read it. By what number should minus 33 by 16 be divided to get this? Means by which number should I divide this one to get this? Let's say I am dividing this by x and the answer is this. Are you getting this? Let's say this is the number minus 33 by 16 and I am dividing this number, this is the number, and I am dividing this number, that is by x, and the answer which I am getting is minus 11 by 4. Means you have to find out the value of x. This is the question. By what number should this be divided to get this? So I am saying that let the number is x, by which I am dividing minus 33 by 16, and the answer that is I am getting is minus 11 by 4. Now how do you do this one question? How do you find out the value of x from here? Okay, you can find out the value of x from here. Now let's see, this x is dividing here. This x is dividing here. Now if this one x would go there and it would multiply there, you are knowing that if x would be multiplying here, it would be dividing there, but right now it is dividing, so it would multiply there. Okay, these rules you should know. So this x would be multiplying here, so I can write this as x multiply this x would be multiplying here, so x multiply how much is there? Minus 11 by 4 would be equals to what is left now here, that is minus 13 by 16. Are you getting this? Now very simple, I have to find out the value of x from here. So this x would remain same, because x would remain here, it would remain here. It would be equals to how much now? Now you need the value of x, and for finding out the value of x, the shaken fraction, that is minus 11 by 4, has to go there, and if it is going there, the symbol would be changing. Earlier it is multiplying here, now if it is going there, now it is dividing there now. Are you getting this? Right now this minus 11 by 4 is multiplying here, and if it would go there, it would be dividing there. Currently it is multiplying here. Okay, the symbols are changing. Okay, like now in the previous case, this x was dividing here and was going and was multiplying. Now similarly, this minus 11 by 4 would be going there and it would divide there, because right now it is multiplying. Okay, so I can write there as minus 13 by 16 now would be divided by, this is division now. Okay, would be divided by minus 11 by 4. Remember, this minus would not become plus. Only this one multiplication would be changed into the division one. Okay, are you getting this? Okay. Now x would be equals to, now you are knowing this question, very easy question. What to do? You would change this division into multiplication, and if you are changing it, this would be reversed. So you can write it as minus 13 by 16 would be multiplied by minus 4 by minus 11. 4 by minus 11. Getting this? Now you can cut also. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 4 ja 16. Similarly here, this minus would become plus. And similarly 11 1 ja 11 and 11 3 ja 33. So value of x would be equals to 3 1 ja 3 divided by 4 1 ja 4. So this would be the cost of, so this is the number by which you are dividing this to get this much. So this would be the value of x. This would be the answer. Okay, so this is how you would solve the question. Okay, some similar question again I am going to give you. First you note it down. If you have noted, write down the question. By what number should minus 1 by 2 be divided to get minus 11 by 4? This is the next question. Write down. Okay, if you have written, the next question again, one more question. By what number 1 by 6 be divided to get minus 1 by? Okay, this is the next question. So these are some questions which I have given you for home. Just try these questions on your own. Okay, Okay, we'll see you in the next lecture, where we would be reading about the how to find out the rational number, different rational number between two given rational numbers. Okay, then stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you, have a good day.